An object is projected into the air with a speed of 50 meters per second at an angle 30 degrees above the ground level. Calculate the maximum height attained by the object, given that g equals to 10 meters per second squared. Okay, let's start by writing out what we are given in the question. Okay, we are given that the body is projected with an initial speed of what? 50 meters per second. So u equals to 50 meter per second. Okay, then the angle theta equals to 30 degree. Okay, then we are asked to calculate the height. Okay, and g equals to 10 meter per second squared. Okay, please listen to me. Since we know that height is what? U square sine square theta over 2g. We don't have to do anything, just replace u square sine square theta all over 2g. To get the value of the height, all you have to do now is to replace u as 50, theta as 30 degree, and g as 10. So we are going to have h equals to 50 squared multiplied by sine square 30, you understand, all over 2 multiplied by 10, you understand. So I'm going to have h is equals to 50 square is 2500 multiplied by, now listen to me, sine square x is equals to sine x raised to the power of 2. Do you understand? So that means sine square 30 degree equals to sine 30 raised to the power of 2. Are you getting it? Are you following? Now, sine 30 is what? 0.5 or 1 over 2. So I'm going to have 1 over 2 squared, okay? Or you can put 0.5 squared if you like. So this over 2 times 10, that is what? 20. Sorry, this should be 20. So h will be equals to 2500 multiplied by 1 over 4 divided by 20. So h will be equals to 31.25 meter. Do you understand? So that is the solution to the question. Okay, let's proceed to the next question. A stone is projected at an angle of 60 degrees.
To watch the complete class, kindly click on the link in the description of this video or the comment section. Okay, see you in the next class.